Today's Friday. Usually I do these recaps on Mondays, but anytime there's like a lesson or like something important to talk about, I kind of come on to, and today's Friday again. So expecting not a lot of people to be around today. Anyone that's watching this now, today, it's probably one of the most motivated people. It's probably the people that want to trade, that want to find success trading the most. So let's kind of talk about my trades today. So Bao and I always talk about the same thing every single day. It's the process, the process, the process. Wake up, right? Wake up, read the news, right? Check the filings, draw your lines, look for the low hangers, right? Every single day, we keep repeating the same thing, right? Every single day. And some days we make a lot of money. Some days we make no money. Some days we have scratch days. So I was just looking back through the entire week, and maybe I think it was Monday I made $900. Tuesday I made 2,000. Wednesday I made I think 13,000. Thursday I made like 2,000. So every day it's different, right? I'm not making 500 every day. I'm not making 10,000 every day. It all depends on the different types of setups. So coming into today, I had absolutely zero clue how I was going to do what I did. And that's because every single day that I come to the market, I don't try to bank. I don't try to make a shitload of money. Every day that I come to the market, my goal is to stick to the process. I know that if I stick to the process, I'm going to make money. It is when I deviate that I lose money. So on a day like today, when you have so many stocks moving, I want to kind of think about what the theme of the market has been, right? So lately, the theme of the market has been one notorious chat room pumper pumping things endlessly, pumping stuff from $2 to $20, pumping stuff from low of the day to high of the day. So we are in a market where there is a pumper out there that's jamming all these stocks higher. On Monday, the pumps went crazy. No pullbacks, no problems, straight fucking up, everyone is dead. On Tuesday, same thing happened. Straight pump, everything is dead. On Wednesday, the pump stopped working, right? Day one moves were not going into day two. They were tanking on day one. Thursday, the same thing happened. These pumps were failing. People started to catch on. People started to realize that this is fake. People started to realize that, oh shit, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So on Friday, right? So we had pumps working Monday, pumps working Tuesday, pumps slowing down Wednesday, pumps slowing down Thursday. So today, it told me that any pumps that were going to probably happen today were probably going to be weaker than normal because everyone is understanding the game. Everyone is understanding the scams. So whenever these stocks get pumped, I will let them do their thing. But whenever they tank, whenever they confirm, chances are that it's going to have less of a zombie move, less of a rebound, because all these guys are now stuck, right? They're all stuck. So coming into today, when I see something like I mentioned to the guys in the room on KBSF at 9 a.m., volume came in from Robinhood, right? So Robinhood starts trading at 9 a.m. So we noticed that volume came into KBSF and the stock went up at 9 a.m. That to me tells me, all right, these inexperienced, uneducated Robinhood longs are going long KBSF at 9 a.m. All the volume is coming into this stock. This is the one that they're into. If this stock fails and it doesn't reclaim, and it starts to tank, all those Robinhood longs that bought at $5 got to sell out. So when KBSF was weak pre-market, when KBSF broke 450 support pre-market, I knew that if this had any type of bounce, these Robinhood longs were stuck. So that coupled with the fact that it had no news, right? It had no news, was up 100%. Robinhood was buying it. That to me said, all right, Alex, you have an edge here, size up. So I don't want to use size on every single trade anymore, right? I only use size when there is an edge. Today, the edge was Robinhood. People were buying a stock that was up on no news. Support broke, and it was Friday. These pumps weren't working. So KBSF was a great low stress trade. I covered at like $3.50. I think it went down an extra dollar without me. So I left like another 5-6 grand on the table. Whatever. Next stock of the day, CTIB. CTIB was a stock that was running up after hours yesterday. Today, pre-market, it jammed up from like $8 to $12. And I'm like, holy fucking shit, this is too scary. But as pre-market continued, we saw that the stock started to find its way down, right? It started to show its trend and come down. So for me, when I saw the stock starting to trade lower, I got interested. When it started to break support, I got even more interested. And then the best part of the day is the stock was at low of the day. A chat room pumped it back up to high of the day. They were buying it. They were buying it at resistance, right? They were buying it at $8 resistance. And I'm thinking to myself, how fucking stupid do you guys got to be? So again, recognizing that these pumps are failing, recognizing that these guys are so inexperienced that they're buying the double top, right? They're buying a double top on a stock that has already tanked and bounced. This is a dead cat bounce on the stock. So what did I do? I first cried because the locates were 50 cents a share, right? So I located 5,000 shares. I had to pay 2,500 bucks in locates, right? So I had to cry. Also, before I continue, I know I'm going to get a question about these locates. And I got a DM PM this morning, and someone said the locate on CTIB is 50 cents a share. When do you know to locate it or not? My answer is always this. I only locate a stock if I know I can make more than the locate fee. If the locate fee is 50 cents, I better know for a fact that I'm going to make this trade and at least take 60 cents home. There's been times that I paid $1 a share for Tilray. I paid $1 a share on 10,000 shares of Tilray. That was a $10,000 locate. And that day I lost 70 grand. So I lost 70 grand plus 10,000 that day. So sometimes you think you're going to fucking nail the stock even if you have to locate, but you fail. So going back to it, give me a sec. Let me just see. So going back to the CTIB trade, as soon as it double topped, as soon as it was weak, as soon as it confirmed, as soon as it broke down, as soon as the chat room pumper sold it, I took my money, shorted it, and ran, right? So another very straightforward example of a broken stock that bounced, that rebounded on artificial chat room pumping, that we were able to recognize, short, and take advantage of. So we had KBSF, Robinhood longs underwater. CTIB, chat room pumpers underwater. Now let's go to JFIN. JFIN was another stock that a chat room pumped 2 days ago. They pumped this stock from $5 to $30. The same day, it went from $30 to $5 again, right? 5, 30, 35, same day. Yesterday, it had a dead cat bounce and tanked, right? I missed it. I wasn't paying attention. So yesterday it had a dead cat bounce and tank. Today, we were gapping up. I think it was like 50% pre-market on no news, no fucking anything. What I think happened, the reason why JFIN gapped up today is because early pre-market pumpers like to paint the tape. They like to buy the stock on the ask, jam the stock up on the ask, early pre-market when no one is around, when it is illiquid, to paint a false picture that the stock is bullish. The reason why they paint this false picture to make the stock bullish is so that you think that the stock is going up, you think the stock is strong, but they are just using the price and the volume to dump into you in the morning. So this morning, my plan on JFIN that I put in the watch list was to short a pop towards 6 and 7 in the morning. That's where resistance was. This morning, pre-market, we got a push to 690, shorted some, had a 650 average, got my money, and then waited for the open. At the open, we pushed towards $6. We failed. I took a short of $6, made $1 share, walked away. So again, noticing what had happened yesterday on JFIN, noticing that there's so many bag holders on this stock because of a failed pump 2 days ago, gave me the confidence that there would be so much resistance on this stock, especially after a tank pre-market, that would be a good trade. So again, all these trades, they sound simple, right? They sound simple, and they are simple, and that is because I have a plan for them, right? I'm making a plan for all of these stocks. So when I came into the morning, my plan was not to load in, make a shitload of money, make a fuckload, this and that. My plan, as always, is in the morning to look for the broken stocks, right? To look for the broken stocks and short the bounce on these stocks. The more irrational, the more nonsensical, the more stupid the reason the stocks are, the reason why the stocks are up, the more size I will use. So on KBSF, no news, up fucking 150%. That to me says when this breaks, this has an edge, size in. CTIB, this stock is up on air. it is up 500% for no fucking reason. It tanked pre-market. It bounced because of a pump. That to me is an edge, short more size. Does this all make sense, guys? Does this all make sense? There was another stock today. I think it was CLRB. Let me see if someone typed it earlier. Let me see if I can find it. I want to talk about that one too. What was that C stock today? CNTB or CTMB or some shit like that. Just write it here so I could mention it so that CTIB. No, was it CTIB? What was the CHNR? CHNR maybe? CHNR, yeah, CHNR. So CHNR was another one, right? This one was a 100% pump and dump. 100%. This was pumped pre-market on YouTube to 10,000 people. So some chat room pumper pumped this up pre-market on low volume, low liquidity to 10,000 people. What do you think fucking happened? What do you think fucking happened? As soon as the chat room pumpers exited, the stock fucking cratered from fucking, I think it was $6 all the way to $3. The stock was on low of the day. The stock was broken. The stock went from 6 to 350. And you know what happened? This chat room pumper aggressively bought this stock, this broken stock at low of the day and squeezed it up from low of the day to high of the day, right? So the stock went from 6 to 3, tanked, very weak, no reason to buy. Chat room pumper buys it here, sends it all the way up here, sells it, and now the stock is even lower than this support where it started. So anyone that bought is now stuck and underwater. So we are realizing that these chat room pumpers, the people that are chasing these plays, are so uneducated that they will just buy and they will hold because these pumpers pump this shit as the next Amazon and the next fucking Microsoft. So you have to be very careful in this market. There's a lot of scamming going around in this market. It's multiple people doing multiple different things because a lot of uneducated traders are entering this market, guys. A lot of uneducated people are entering this market. You are seeing on the internet these days people banking 50, 100, 200, 300 grand, right? The reason why those people are making so much money is because they have been trading for a long time. They recognize these scams, they recognize the opportunities, and they are sizing up into these opportunities. There has never been a time in history where so many traders that are uneducated, that have no clue what they're doing, are coming into the market filled with sharks. I've been trading for 6 years now. Bao's been trading for almost 20. Whenever someone comes into the market, they have to remember that you are entering the battlefield with every single, it's an even playing field, right? If you have $500, you can start trading against fucking billionaires if you wanted to, right? So remember that always on the opposite side of your trades, you better hope that that person is uneducated. I was so happy when I saw KBSF at 9 a.m. getting a rush of volume on Robinhood because these guys have no idea what they're doing. I knew that they picked the fucking stupidest stock today to buy. And as soon as it would break, I would have an edge. So I am looking for this dumb, uneducated money every single day. The more uneducated people I could find, right, the easier it is for us to make money because we have a process, we have a routine, we have a system that fucking works, right? Everyone else's system is to pump and dump, is to use 10,000 people to jam up the fucking stock. You know what we do? We actually fucking trade. We don't need pumps. We don't need alerts. We don't need that bullshit. You get me a fucking computer and an internet connection, I will fucking trade. But these uneducated people don't have time to learn, don't want to learn. They just want to show up. They want to have some magic magician give them signals, stock picks. And you know what? If they make money, good for them. Meanwhile, the fucking scammers making hundreds of thousands of dollars. So again, guys, I am showing you what it is like every single day. No alerts, no pump and dumps, no hidden buying, no fucking bullshit like that. Every single day, I am showing up to the market and doing the same fucking thing every day. The reason why people fail is because they do not have a routine. They do not know what to do. They show up and they are clueless, right? So for me, again, every day I'm at the desk at 6 in the morning. Every day I'm making a watch list. Every day I'm going for my walks. Every day I am sticking to the process of wiring out. Every day I'm cutting off at zombie times. Every day I am looking for broken stocks and shorting the rebound. I am doing the same thing every day. You guys see it every day. I'm like a fucking robot. I'm doing the same thing every day, so much so that I've actually lost my fucking mind. I was actually talking to Bao about this, and I didn't know if I was going to talk about it on video, but since there's not really many people watching, I'm going to say it. You guys see me? I lost connection. What was the last thing you guys heard? Yo, I'm not on Wi-Fi, cuz I'm walking around. What Wi-Fi am I on? I'm on the fucking LTE 3G bullshit. Can you guys see me? I do the same fucking walk every day, man. Every day I do the same walk. And sometimes randomly, random spots, I get a fucking blind spot. All right, can you guys see me? All right, what was the last thing I said? Maybe it's a sign to not talk about it. All right. Let me start back from the beginning. So I've been having such a routine in my entire life where I do the same thing every single day, right? I am so routine oriented now, right? I am so process oriented that I am losing my mind, right? I've been doing the same thing every single day for fucking 4 months. I got coronavirus. I don't even remember when I got coronavirus. So ever since I got coronavirus, I haven't really left the house. I haven't really done anything except trade and work on MIC. So I've been doing this every single day, nonstop, no breaks, no vacations, no stop for fucking 4 months now. That I finally lost my mind, right? I finally lost my mind. So now, although my training is going really well and I am happy and I'm feeling good, I'm losing my mind because I keep doing the same shit over and over again. I need to take some time off. I need a vacation to clear my head. But the problem is the market is so hot that I don't want to fucking leave. So we also have to remember that although things are good and the market is hot and trading is good and this and that, we need to also be able to take care of ourselves. I personally work all the time. I don't take time off until it's too late. So people always ask me, what am I trying to do this year better? What am I trying to do better? Well, when this market action slows down, and again, I hope it never fucking slows down, but when it does, and the place slow down to instead of having 500,000 fucking, I mean, instead of having a 500% runner, we have a small 20, 30, 40% runner. That's going to be my signal to say, you know what, it's time to get away and it's time to relax because oftentimes we forget that us humans, us people, us traders need to relax too. We need to recharge our batteries too. Yes, Saturday and Sunday help. Yes, the weekend helps. But sometimes if you do the same thing for too long, like I've been doing for fucking 4 months, every single day, show up, trade, show up, trade, show up, trade, show up, trade. Although the trading is not stressful, which has been the reason why I'm still able to continue to do it over and over again, after a certain point, you want some contrast in your life. You want some change. You want something fun. So I don't know. That's just me venting and me ranting to say that I'm fucking shot. I'm burnt to hell. And I need to kind of do something extreme to shock my system back into coming and being fucking normal again because I don't know, man. We have an incredible opportunity right now in the market, and I know for a fact that I would regret it if I took time off right now because shit, man, I just made 30 grand today, man. Today I made 30 grand. My opportunity cost for vacation, if I leave for a week, is 50 grand, right? So this week I made 50 grand. If I take vacation next week, my cost of vacation, right? My amount of money that I'm not going to be making on vacation is probably fucking 50 grand. So do I want vacation so bad that I am willing to miss out on another 50 grand worth of profits? It's a fucking expensive ass vacation. That's why I'm waiting for the market to slow down so that I don't feel as guilty. because I know that if I go on vacation, Bao is gonna steal all the fucking fills. Bao is gonna make all the fucking money. Bao is gonna fucking kick some ass, get everything. And you know what? It's good, but still, we have a friendly competition, and I want to make sure that I kick his fucking ass too. And while I'm kicking his ass, Faye, I'm coming for you too. But yeah, you guys see, this is the problem why I haven't been able to take a vacation. This is the reason why I haven't been able to get some time off. So it keeps going deeper and deeper and deeper. And after a certain while, you're going to lose your fucking shit. So when this madness ends, I am going to take a vacation and leave. But until then, the vacation opportunity cost is way too fucking expensive. So back to fucking trading. And oh, boo hoo, cry me. I suck so much. I'm crying because I'm making so much money. I don't want to go on vacation. That's not the point. The point is this is more important than your fucking wallet because this is fucking irreplaceable. You guys understand? All right, I need some fucking air. Any questions? Whew. Also, someone said, why don't you trade on vacation? I have a rule. And my rule is I am never allowed to trade on vacation. You know why? Because in the past, when I traded on vacation, if I made money, I would be in a great mood. If I lost money, I would be in a terrible mood. Now, I don't even want to fucking risk it. I don't even want to fucking mess around with it. If I'm on vacation, my phone is getting locked in the fucking safe, and I'm not even looking at my phone or I'm not looking at my computer. That is the only way that I would be able to have vacation these days. Locking up all my technology, locking up fucking everything because I am addicted to this stupid ass fucking iPhone. All right, last thing I'm going to talk about before we end is the weekend is coming up, right? The weekend is coming up. Yes, everywhere is opening back up, and yes, everything is going good, but the weekend is the best time to study. The weekend is the best time to learn. The weekend is when you will not be bothered, right? So we keep talking about it, and the reason why we keep talking about it is because it's helping a lot of people, is the accelerator course, right? So a lot of people want to get into trading, and as I mentioned, a lot of these Robinhood guys are uneducated. They have no clue what we're doing. We created a course called the Accelerator. This is a 7-hour course that will take you from not knowing anything about trading to placing your first trade in 7 hours. I highly suggest that you guys look into this course. We've gotten so much good feedback from it. We have gotten so many members improving from it. We have a special promotion right now where if you sign up for MIC Annual, you will get the course for free. The promotion ends in a few weeks. After that, the course will be sold for $1,500 separately. So I highly suggest that you guys either join the monthly, watch some of the videos over the weekend, join the annual, watch the accelerator over the weekend, right? Put in the work, put in the time because you guys are seeing we are in an incredible, incredible market, right? I am up over $700,000 this year already, right? And we still got another 6 months. This has been the greatest fucking year for trading, right? I cannot remember the last time that I traded 1 hour a day and was making this type of money. So be like me, be like Bao, and learn to be able to take advantage of these uneducated people, right? Because the longer they are, the more edge you will have, right? So we are in a crazy fucking market, man. We are in a crazy market and we are fucking blessed. And those people that are in MIC are finding success like crazy. You see every day on myinvestingclub.com/testimonials. You see every day on our Instagram, testimonials, testimonials, testimonials. We have so many testimonials to the point where Bao is getting fucking tired of posting them every single day because it's so many fucking testimonials, right? So I challenge you guys, judge a community based on their students' success and not the guru's success. Bao and I, thankfully, knock on wood, we are great traders, but we are teaching other traders to become better than us. And that is something that is fucking priceless. So if you want to join MIC this weekend, text Tosh the code word weekend to 213-458-5997, and I'll tell him to work on a special discount for you guys. So that's going to be today only. Text him the word weekend, get the accelerator. or join the monthly. Watch the videos over the weekend so that you could be ready on Monday. If you lost more than $200 today, that pays for 1 month of education. When I went to college, I had to pay $20,000 a year for college for a fucking bullshit ass diploma that I don't even know where it is. For a tenth of the cost, you get a year of MIC education. But anyway, I think that's it, guys. I am sweating. I am dying. I still can't believe I made all this fucking money today. I am in a great mood. I am happy. And that is because I've been trading so fucking well this year. And it always goes back to the same thing. Trade well, stick to the process, and the profits are going to follow. So Friday, gonna get fucked up, enjoy my day, enjoy this weather. And that's it, guys. So I will see you on Monday. I will be in after hours. Any questions? Let me know. Whew.